Happy New Year and welcome to today's video. On today's video, we're going to be doing a fill on a volume cat eye set. Alright, so as you can see, we have our lash client here. She is coming in for her fill. So first thing I like to do is I go through and I will look at the client's lashes. And I'll find the lashes that are outgrown. So as you can see, you have one right here that needs to be removed. So as you can see, this lash right here is grown out. So that's going to be one that you're going to want to remove. So the way that you do this is you do the banana peel method. So in order to do the banana peel method, there's a few different ways you can do it. So you can either take the extension and the natural lash and separate them that way. Or you can take the fan itself and split it in half and peel the fan apart off of the natural lash. Whichever way is easier for you. Sometimes different fans won't work doing one way or the other, so you may have to use both methods. So we have this lash right here that is also grown out. So I'm just going to grab the natural lash and the extension and separate them. And voila. So once I go through the lashes and find all the outgrown ones, I just brush through one more time to make sure that I'm not missing any. And then once I do that and I don't find any more lashes to take off, I'll go ahead and move to the other side. So now that we're on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. So we're just going to go through, and I can already see one right here. And then same thing. So you're going to grab it, and sometimes if it's really high up like that, you might have to wiggle it a little. And there's your fan. So once you are done taking out all of the outgrown ones, at that point, I like to prime. And once I'm done priming, at that point, I'll go ahead and start lashing and just filling in like you would on a normal full set. And that is a quick and easy way just to explain what a lash fill is. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye. On a volume lash. I didn't sound right, hold on.
No, you were doing good though!
I was like, I sounded like I knew what I was talking about, and then I was like, I don't know nothing.
Volume set.
Your 20 minutes though is like an hour.
Yeah, okay, so bye. I'm not saying you're wrong, I'm just saying.
I'm not saying you're wrong.
I'm just saying get out. That's it. If I can